Headliners are already really sensitive, so yeah, it was already cracked and stuff. So I'm going, like I said, really slow. Bro, it took so long, but got that laid. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and trim it out. Then after I trim it out, this is done. I threw one coat of clear on it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Before we get started, I need y'all to do me a favor, do me a solid. It's free and it don't cost you nothing. It won't really hurt you. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all won't miss any videos I drop. You feel me? Y'all be right on top of my content and coming along with me with this during this journey, you know. Hold on, motorcycles coming. Okay, it ain't that loud, but yeah, this video we're gonna be going ahead and changing out this headliner, so it shouldn't take us too long. And I wanted to record more than one video today, but it don't look like I'm gonna be able to, because one video I was trying to do was my gas pedal, trying to tighten it up, because y'all can see it's really close to the firewall, to the carpet, all that stuff. So I was trying to tighten it up so it'll be up here a little bit more. Y'all see it be like up a little more instead of so far down. Look at that. So it'd been up a little bit instead of so far down, but it's too complicated, and I don't think I can do it. I tried messing with the throttle cable, the cable that connects to the pedal to make you be able to go, you know what I'm saying? But I can't get it, and I can't tighten it up or whatever I need to do, which I think I just need to tighten it up, like pull it more towards the front of the car. But I can't get it, and I tried off camera and I was gonna start a video on it, but like I said, I can't get it. I feel like I'm finna sneeze, but I don't know. But here go the headliner we will be using. It's a blue. Ooh, thank y'all. But yeah, this is the headliner we're gonna be using. It's a little off from the paint, but you feel me, it's a headliner, and it's the only blue suede headliner I could find. So yeah, that's what we got. That's what we finna rock out with. We're finna go ahead and put that in there, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint them pieces as well. It's two of them, so I'm just gonna paint these as well. So yeah, I hope y'all ready. We're finna get right into it. I got some little scuff pads. I'm gonna use some scuff pads and scuff that off. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna get straight into it. I don't know if I got my wire brushes or not. I hope I didn't leave them. If I did, it's gonna be a waste, because I'm gonna have to go right back out. But yeah, man, let's get right into it, man. It shouldn't take us too long. Just a couple screws. I know I'm gonna have to take this whole piece off, which I did not want to do, but like I said, I don't have a choice. I keep feeling like I'm finna sneeze, bro. You know what? I'll just catch y'all in 1 second. Alright, y'all, so we gotta go ahead and take off these trims so I can have access to the headliner. And I done lost my screwdriver. Oh, here it goes, sitting on it. So we gotta go ahead and remove these screws, get this headliner off. And I still haven't went to the store. I keep forgetting I need to go to the store, to Harbor Freight, and get me some more screw bits for my screwdriver, because I do not like using this itty bitty screwdriver. And I hate I gotta take all this trim back off, but we gotta do what we gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Can't be lazy or take the easy way to try to get this stuff out. So luckily this is just half a headliner, it ain't a full headliner, so it'd be a lot easier to do and to wrap with the new headliner on. Be a lot easier to do, and it should be quicker too. It won't take long to actually do this, probably like 30 minutes at most. The long part is just gonna be getting this stuff out and back in. Alright, one trim piece out, as y'all can see. I'm gonna sit them right here. Yeah, sit it right there. 2 screws. Trying to make sure I take my time taking these screws out because I do not want to scratch up excuse me, scratch up this trim. Also, whenever they did this headliner, they left the original headliner on here. Let me show y'all. So they left the original headliner on here and just put this leather on top of it. Look at it. So like I told y'all before, the original interior color of this car was navy blue. So y'all can see it right there, and then they just put this yellow leather on the top. So this probably ain't even real headliner. They just used some material back then or something, I don't know. But what I'm hoping is I don't have to take this trim off as well to try to access this stuff. So I'm hoping I don't. Hopefully I can just slide the headliner out. Alright, that's 2. And then I gotta go to the other side and take off the T-tops. Or lift off this T-top. I got this side up. That's how I got that trim piece off. Alright, let me go ahead and try to remove these. These are the little hooks for when you have like clothes and stuff, you want to hang them in the back. It's the little hook for it. I forgot, I still gotta paint my third brake light as well. I forgot all about that. Alright, that's 1. Okay, I think all I have to do is just slide it out. So I'm praying I don't have to take off these side trims, but let me go ahead and get the rest of this down, and once we get the headliner out, I'm gonna come back to y'all, and you feel me, we're gonna get this old headliner off, spray the new headliner on. So this is taking a lot longer to get off the headliner out than I expected, you know what I'm saying? So I had to, as y'all can see over here, take out my seat belt, and I'm taking this one out now. And because this headliner got like a little hump on the side, it's on the sides, like right in here. It got a hump in the headliner, so it won't just slide out. So I took out one of these screws, so this will slide a little bit and this will fall. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm basically just now trying to take off the rest of this, get the rest of this bolt out to take off the seat belt so I can drop the headliner. So it's a lot more than what I expected. I thought it'd just slide out because I thought it was all flat. I didn't know it had like a little groove in it, and I'll show y'all the groove and stuff once I get this all the way out. But you know what I'm saying, that's my hold up right now. So a little longer than 30 minutes, but for those that are wondering how to do this, if you have a T-top, got my seatbelt out. For those of y'all that are wondering, got to take the seatbelt off, and you gotta get some of this trim loose to where you'll be able to slide the headliner out. So let me see if I can, y'all see that groove right there? So that's why I gotta drop some of this trim to where the headliner slides through. So let me go ahead and try to pull it the rest of the way out, and hopefully I can get it out and I don't have to come back to y'all with another update. And I also had to remove these bolts that was, well, one bolt that was there that holds the trim piece up, so I had to get that out too. But let me get this pulled out the rest of the way, and I'm gonna come back to y'all again. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this headliner is so hard to get off, bro. And like I said, this is the factory color, which is this navy blue, bro. It's taking me so long. I gotta go so slow because, you feel me, I don't want to break the headliner. It's already, y'all know these old school headliners are already really sensitive. So yeah, it was already cracked and stuff, so I'm going, like I said, really slow, taking my time, not trying to move too fast, because you know what I'm saying, I can't mess this up. I can't break it because I don't have no replacement, and I don't even know if I can find a replacement, to be honest. I probably can, but yeah, I'm just gonna take my time, keep taking my time. Like I said, I'm going slow. I'm going literally this much at a time. This is literally how I'm doing it. So slow, because I don't, like I said, I don't want to break it or crack the headliner even more than what it is. But I've also started laying down one coat of spray paint on these pieces, and I just gotta get the sides and stuff, and then lay a couple more coats, then throw a clear coat on it. But yep, 2 projects at once. So that's these hanger pieces, and I need to get these polished, to be honest. Let them soak in some vinegar or something. But yeah, here's the headliner. Once we get finished getting this off and then cleaning this off, I got my vacuum as well. Then we're gonna start laying down a new headliner, and hopefully everything just goes smoothly, you feel me? Like I said, I'm taking my time, I'm not moving too fast, cause this headliner's on there really good. Unlike my box Chevy headliner was already falling off, so I didn't even have to do nothing but get this material off. So let me finish doing this and painting, and I'm gonna keep y'all updated as I go. Now I got the headliner all the way off, as y'all can see. So now all I gotta do is use this wire brush that I have. Don't make fun of it, it's the only one I had. I think I threw away the ones that I used before. I think I threw them away, so it's the only wire brush I got, and it's strong, so should get this stuff off easily. But there go the old material, both of them. And then we're gonna lay out the new one once we get this stuff off. My new material, got my headliner spray, and these hook pieces are almost finished. Probably gotta do like 1 or 2 more coats, but looking really good, looking good. So let me get into this, trying to get the rest of this off, and we can start laying down the headliner. Hopefully it don't take me too long to get this off, because I've already been doing this for 47 minutes. I started at 3 o'clock exactly, so 47 minutes I've already been doing this. So let's see how much more I gotta do, or how much longer it's gonna take me. So headliner is now laid and done. Only thing I have to do now is just trim it out, cut it out, and I'm gonna fold a little bit over. So I'm gonna cut to where it's basically like an inch, half an inch to an inch left, and I'm gonna just fold it over and then glue it down on the other side too. That way I could make sure, you know what I'm saying, I ain't cut it too short or anything like that. But this is a suede, bro. Look at that. Bro, it looks so good, and it feel good too. Ain't no bubbles in it, nowhere. The only reason why it look like it's doing that is because that's the actual headliner itself, you know what I'm saying? So ain't no bubbles, no air bubbles. Everything is laid down very perfectly. And it took me forever, y'all. It took me forever to get this off. It took like an hour just by itself, just getting this from the factory material that they had off. Bro, it took so long, but got that laid. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and trim it out. Then after I trim it out, this is done. I threw 1 coat of clear on it. So yeah, I'm not throwing no more clear coat on it, because these are small little pieces. You barely gonna see them anyways. But yeah, I think my allergies is messing up again. But yeah, let me go ahead and trim this out, cut it on out, then we're gonna get ready to throw it back in the car. So yeah, catch on in 1 second. And y'all, just like that, we got brand new headliner, bro. Look at that, bro. You can't tell me that blue suede ain't finna look good when I finish the whole interior, bro. I'm gonna change the pattern of the seats and everything. It ain't gonna be them little circles buttons. I'm gonna probably do diamond stitching, because I kind of like diamond stitching a lot. So once I change up the seats, finish getting everything else color coded right, man, this headliner gonna really set it off, dog. And y'all know it's just a T-top, so it's just a small headliner. Wrapping this took me probably about 5 minutes. Cutting it out probably like 2 minutes. So yeah, this was pretty quick and easy. Well, putting the headliner on, taking this headliner stuff off, man, that was the worst mistake, you feel me? But yeah, I'm finna ready to throw all this back into the vehicle, back into the car, because I got somewhere I gotta go. So, yep, I will catch y'all in a second. I don't know if I'm gonna make y'all watch me install it back, but yeah, I'm finna go ahead and put this back in the car, so I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright y'all, so this is gonna be the end of this one. As y'all can see now, brand new suede headliner, and it goes pretty decently with the blue interior. I mean, it ain't, I mean, it matches, you know, it goes. My headliner not sinking, it's the actual headliner, it's not my material, it's my actual headliner that's doing that. So I honestly don't know why, but to be honest, I'm not gonna worry about it right now, cause I got somewhere I gotta go. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all think it matches up, go from there to there. I'm gonna have to show y'all in the daytime before this car leaves to the mechanic shop, but yeah, it came out really good, and it's getting late. It took a lot longer than what I expected because it was so hard to get that old material off the car, you know. So yeah, so it's gonna be the end of this one, y'all. Oop, my bad, y'all got stuck. It's gonna be the end of this one, y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like this video, turn that post notification bell to auto where y'all be notified every time I drop. Now if y'all got dreams and goals, go after y'all dreams and goals. I'm going after mine right now, which is, I heard the train coming, that's why I tried to shut the door. But yeah, if y'all got dreams and goals, go after y'all dreams and goals. I'm going after mine, which is being a YouTuber, you feel me? Building these cars, working on these cars, and being able to show it to y'all, you know? So I'm going after my dreams and my goals, so I want y'all to do the same. Y'all motivate me to go after my dream, so that's all I want to do, is try to motivate y'all for y'all to go after y'all dream as well. So yeah, like I said, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Turn my interior lights back on, and y'all see how the blue is coming. All this blue, so much blue in this car now. Look at that, blue, 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 blue. And y'all know I've already ordered new door panels, which we had painted, but yeah, new door panels should be coming. But yeah, like I said, that's gonna be the end of this one. Hold on, my flashlight cut off on my phone. I need to invest in a camera flashlight. Y'all know how people be having them lights on their cameras. I need to invest in one. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I love and appreciate y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.